Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Fast Cabling. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in tech and security system. Now today in this video, we are diving into an exciting topic: how to transmit sensor data over your network security camera to a remote control center. But first, let's quickly recap our last video. In our last video, we explored how to leverage security camera system to transfer serial sensor signal using the Modbus RTU over video device. And we talked about how this integration can enhance your security setup by adding another layer of data monitoring through sensors. Now, what if you need to send this data to a remote control center that is far, far away? That's where things get a bit more challenging. So let's break it down. The challenge with the long-distance setup is maintaining a reliable connection to transfer data effectively. Most IP security camera uses PoE, that's Power over Ethernet, to connect to the network. This means that a single Ethernet cable can provide both power and data transmission. It's a neat and efficient solution, but there's a catch. PoE has a distance limitation of 100 meters. That's about 328 feet. And beyond this distance, you will start to lose signal strength and power efficiency. So what are the traditional ways to extend this range? Traditionally, you may use PoE extenders or fiber optic cables to cover longer distances. PoE extenders can boost the signal, while fiber optic cables offer high-speed data transfer over much greater distances. But here's the downside. Running long cables can be impractical, especially in an environment where laying down cables is difficult or even impossible. So what is the solution? That's where our wireless network bridges come in. Wireless network bridges are devices that connect two network segments wirelessly. Think of them as invisible Ethernet cable that use radio waves to transmit data. Here's how they work. You have two main components, the transmitter and the receiver. Now the transmitter sends the data over a specific radio frequency to the receiver, which then converts it back to Ethernet signal. And using wireless network bridges offers several benefits. They eliminate the need for long cable runs, reduce installation costs, and provide flexibility in setting up your network. Plus, they can maintain high-speed data transfer over long distances, ensuring your sensor data reaches the remote control center reliably. And when choosing a wireless network bridge, you should consider the distance that you need to cover, the environmental conditions, and the data transfer speed. Some bridges are designed for short distances, while others can handle several kilometers, and they can also be weatherproof, making them ideal for outdoor use. And now let me introduce you to our new wireless network bridges. Now they use dedicated TVS lightning protection device to enhance the performance in harsh environment, and equipped with a built-in 15 dBi dual polarized directional antenna, offering a range of up to 5 kilometers. It supports 24 to 48 volt PoE and a 12 volt DC power supply, the TDMI Intelligent Dynamic Pulling Protocol, and even a 1-kick playering, so that's easy to use. Plus, it is IPv6 compatible and can operate in a temperature ranging from -40 degrees up to 70 degrees, so it's perfect to use in outdoor environment. And next, we're going to move on to the installation process of how to set them all up. So next is our step-by-step guide on installing a wireless network bridge system for IP cameras and sensors. Now this guide will walk you through the entire process, from understanding the components to setting up real-time monitoring and data visualization. Here's a component breakdown. We have a bullet camera, the temperature and humidity sensors, our Modbus RTU over video device, wireless bridges, one here and one from the monitoring sites, and Ethernet cables and power supply units. First, setting up the hardware. Here we have the bullet camera, and I'm going to use the Ethernet cable to connect to the camera. And let's power it up. So one end to the camera and the other end directly to our wireless network bridge, so we can transmit the data. It is already powered up. Right here we have the one-click pairing button. We can connect this to the other wireless bridge easily, and this process is straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring a seamless connection. And I'm going to use another Ethernet cable, connect to the wireless bridge, and directly to our Modbus RTU over video device. Let me plug it in and power it up. It is already integrated with our temperature and humidity sensor, and this is waterproof rated. So over this side, everything is done, and we get all the data back to our wireless bridge. Here we have the indicator light, so you can check for the signal strength. Now everything is ready. Let's go to the other wireless bridge and make sure your bridges are in a clear line of sight, facing directly to each other. So coming over here, we have this bridge already powered up and connected to the router. Here we have another Ethernet cable. I'm going to connect it to a WebSmart PoE switch, so you can connect to more devices if needed. And using a short patch cord to connect this to our network video recorder, so we can display the video footage. And it is already connected to a monitor. Now make sure you double check all the Ethernets and power connection and verify that wireless network bridges are connected to your main network and the IP cameras is accessible. And also, you have to configure the Modbus RTU over video device to ensure it properly communicates with the IP camera, and this step involves accessing the software through its interface. So now let's look at our big screen monitor. I'm going to wave my hand so you can see this is a live video. And then we can take a look at the lower left corner to verify that the sensor data is being transmitted to the Modbus RTU over video device and overlaid on our camera feed. So by integrating sensor data with security camera through wireless network bridges, you can enable a comprehensive remote monitoring. So there you have it. This setup not only enhances security, but also provides valuable environmental data, allowing for better decision making and quicker response times in various situations. So by now, you should have a fully operational system that integrates IP cameras with sensors and wireless network bridges, so you can enjoy the benefits of enhanced security and real-time data monitoring. And thank you very much for joining us. Before you go, please don't forget to like, subscribe our channel FASTCABLING, and I'll see you in the next video.